One.
Healthy habits song.
Please, man.
Brush your teeth gently every day. Up and down in every spot. Brush it every day. Wash your face every morning, bright. Keep it clean, so fresh and bright. Feels so good and right. Wash your hands, clean them every time. Rub and scrub and rub, keep them clean and bright. Move around, exercise and play. Jump and run and have some fun, healthy every day.
Eat.
Eat your foods, veggies, fruits and grains. Milk and cheese will make you strong, healthy habits gain. Read a book, exercise your mind. Stories, tales, and fairy tales, knowledge you will find. Smile a lot, spread your joy around. Happiness and kindness you in every heart found. Sleep at night, rest your body well. Early to bed, early to rise, healthy habits swell. Sleep at night and read a book, smile and spread the cheer. Healthy habits all day.